Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 14C, page number 222. So, in this exercise, we will solve operation on measures of time. Means we will subtract the timings, we will add the times. Okay. So, the operation on measures of time, we will do the addition, subtractions. Okay. So, these are the some examples how to take this borrow. Okay, so like is 8 hour will come to here this side, so it will give the 1, so 1 hour it will give, so this side it will come, so it will be 60 here. Okay, so likewise we will take the borrow and we will solve it. You can just go through the examples also once again. So now here directly we will solve the, I will solve the exercise 14C. Okay, so first question number 1 we will do add. Okay, so we will subtract, sorry, we will add it. So first of all, you can see there is the same type of unit, second and second, so we can add it easily. So 5 plus 2, it is 7, so here you can write the 7. Okay, now 4 plus 6, sorry, 4 plus 2, it is 6, so right here 6. Okay, now here is the minute, so this is your second part, so right here second, this is now minute. Okay, now minute, so 6 plus 2, it is your 8. 6 plus 2, 8, and 1, 1, 2. So 28 minutes 67 second. But one thing you should be careful, you should see here, what is that? Here is 67 second. So you can we write 67 second? No, our answer is no. Why? Because maximum is 59 second you can write. Okay, maximum 59 minute, either 59 second. Okay, so this is possible, only we can write up to 59, just it will be 60, so that will be the again 1 minute or 1 hour. So it means here is a 67 seconds, so we cannot write. So for this what we will do, we will do the one arrangement. What arrangement we will do? We will divide this 67 by the 60. Okay, so one time what will be the, so remainder will be 7. So this remainder part, whatever the remainder we got, so that remainder we will write here. So here we will write the 7 second only. Okay, now this one, this is, now this one is your minute, and this will be goes to the carry 1 to the next here. So here is 28, so now this 28 become 29, so 29 minute. So your answer is 29 minute and 7 second. Okay, so likewise you have to be careful, if it is the more than 59, so you have to divide by 60 and you have to arrange whatever the quotient will come, it will be goes to the uh, carry to the next. Okay, now likewise one more question you just see here, we will solve here. Here number C. Okay, number C. So here I am going to solve number C. Just see here, this is question number 1, question number C. So what is that? It is given that 2 hour, okay, 15 minute and 55 second. Okay, then after 3 hour 58 minute, okay, and 52 second. So we have to add this. So first of all we write the second plus second. So here we will add directly 5 plus 2, 7, 1, 1, 10. First of all you have to add it. Okay, then after we will do the arrangement. Now minute, so here it will, you will add, so it will be 73, this is hour, and this is, here it will be 5. Now you can see here in this part, you can see there is some like 107, 73, so we cannot write 107 second. So what we will do, so we will change it. First of all this part, so 107 you can divide by 60. So how many time? 1 time 60. Okay, so now when you will subtract, so you will get 7 and 4, 47 is there, and 1 is the quotient, so this 1 will be sent to this part. Okay, and here what is the remainder? 47, so write here 47, so you can write here 47 second. Now here 1 will be added here, so it will be your 74 minute. Okay, now here is, this side is 5 hour. Now next we have, again you can see this part is again 74 minute. So minute is, again I told that minute maximum you can write up to 59, so we will do the again same thing. So 74 you can divide by 60, so one time 60, so remainder will be 14. So this remainder part you can write here, and this quotient will be sent to the carry to the next. Okay, so here will be 1, so here you can write the same 47 because it is already arranged. Now here is what is the remainder, 14, so write here 14 minute. Okay, now 5 plus 1, 6 hour. So now you can see this is your answer, and it is in the arranged way. You can see this is your answer, 6 hour 14 minute and 47 second. Okay, 6 hour 14 minute 47 second. So in this way you have to do. Okay, got it? If it is not arranged, you have to divide it by 60, and you have to, whatever the quotient, you just forward the carry to the next part. Okay, now next number D, you can here you can see actually this here, yeah, here actually we have solved this question, actually one number C. Now number D, you can see, you can add it. So simply this 2 add, you will get 60. Here you will add, so you will get here 23. Okay, and here you will get 7. So again now you can see here is a 60, so exactly 60 means I told that you can write up to only 50. So whenever you will divide 60 by 60, so when you divide this 60, because 60 is there, so you can divide this 60 by 60. So how many times, 1 time 60, and it will be, what will be the quotient, 0. So nothing, that you write the 0 second, and 1 will be come to this side, so 24 minute, and here will be the 7 hours. So answer will be 7 hour 24 minute and 0 second. Okay, now subtract. Okay, so now here number C we will solve. Question number 2, C, 23 hours 4 minute 58 second. Okay, so let's do this one. So we will solve question number 2, number C. Okay, so 23 hour 4 minute and 58 second, and we have to subtract 21 hour 5 minute and 59 second. Okay, so that we have to subtract. So how we can, you can see here, can we subtract these two? No. So it means we have to take the borrow. So we will take the borrow from the next, means here we will ask, so it will give the borrow 1. So here it will be remain 3 minute is there. Now this 3 will send here, so 3 minute will come to the second, this 3 minute will come, means here it is sended 1 minute, sorry, here it give the 1 minute borrow. So 1 minute, whenever this 1 minute will come to the this side, it will become 60 second, because in the 1 minute how many second, 1 minute equals to how many second, 60 second. So 60 will come to the this side, so 60 will come to the this side. So now 60 will come, and already there is 58. So whenever you will add this to 60 plus 58, so you will get 118. So now we got the new value 118. So now here you can write 118. Now in 118 you can subtract 59. So here will be 9, here will be 5. Okay, now next, here is 3. Now can we subtract 3 to the 5? No, it means we have to take again the borrow. So we will take the borrow from here. So here it will be left 22. Okay, now here 1 hour will come here. So 1 hour will come here. So here this side will come again 60. In 1 hour how many minutes? In 1 hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. Okay, so 60 will come this side. So 60 and plus 3. Okay, so 60 and plus 3, it will be 63. Okay, so now here it is, now it became, now this 3 is now became here 63. Now 63 minus 5 we can do, so it will be 58 minute. Okay, now 22 minus 21, so it will be only 1 hour. So now your answer is, and also it is in the arrange, you have to check this, means that its value should be less than 59. So check this, all values are less than 55, 59. So 1 hour 58 minute 59 second. So in this way you have to subtract, you have to take the borrow from the previous one. Okay, and you have to take care that hour to minute, or suppose that if the question is like that, here is 1 day is there, suppose day is there, and here is the hour. Okay, so when you will take the borrow from day to hour, so it will become 24. Okay, not 60, 24, because in a one day how many hour? 24 hour. So if you will take the borrow from the day to the hour, so that it will give the 24. Okay, if you will get such this type of question, so you have to remember it. From the day to hour it will come, so borrow will come 24, because in a one day how many hours? In the one day how many hour? In the one day 24 hour. Okay, 24 hours there. Okay, now next we will solve question number 3. Just see, number 3 is that solve the following. Okay, so here we will solve number B. Okay, so number B, day, hours and minute. Okay, so number B we will do. So here I am going to solve. Okay, so number 3, question number B, it is there one side it is given day, then after hour and minute is there. Okay, so what is the values are there? 1, 2, 4, and here it is 13, 14, and there is 2, so I write 0, 2. This side is 28, 17 and 30, and these all values we have to add. Okay, so now we will add this. So simply first of all you have to add. Okay, so you will add, here you will get 75, here you will add, you will get 29, and here 7. Now you can see here there is, again you have to check these numbers, is it in the proper form? No. Why? Because here is a 75, so there is 75 minute is not possible. So it means this 75 we will divide by 60. How many time? One time 60, so remainder is 15. So 15 we will write, and 1 we will give to the next. Okay, so 1 will come here, and here it is left 15. So right here 15, and here is 20, it is 30. 29 plus 1, 30, and here is 7. Now again you can check that this is the part of the hour. Okay, this is the part of hour. So what is the, how much hour is possible? Because we know that in a one day how many hour? Maximum 24 hour. So we can write only 23 maximum we can write, because if it is 24, so then it is equals to one day. So it is not possible to write 24. So maximum we can write here, maximum we can write 23. In the hour it is possible only 23, but here you can see it is 30. So again we have to change it. So now here we will not divide by 30, we will divide by 24, because in a one day how many, in a one day how many hour? 24 hour. So that's why we will divide this 30 by 24. So 30 will divide by 24, how many time? One time. So here it will be, remainder will be 6. So this remainder 6 we will write, and 1 we will give to the borrow. So here just see this 30 we will, here we will write, here we will write the same 15, and here this 1 will be given to the borrow to the next, and here it is left only 6. Okay, so right here 6, and here will be 8. So it means answer, your answer is 8 day. Okay, answer is 8 day 6 hour 15 minute. Okay, so likewise you have to do. Okay, if it is the, here you can see it is the hour, so maximum here we can write up to 23. In the case of minute and second we can write up to maximum 59. So that's why we have to change it. Okay, now next we can see, we will solve the exercise. Next question number 4. Anil takes 40 minutes to walk to the school and 35 minutes to reach the home. So from the from school by bus, how long the two journey takes? So it means total time we have to calculate. So we can simply add it. So total time was taken. So total time, okay, total time. So total time will equals to, we will add these two values. So what is that? 40 minute. Okay, so write 40 minute. Then next is that 35. So write 35 minute. Okay, and we will add these two value. So minute plus, even write minute. So here will be 5 and will be 7. So now you can see there is 75 minute. So again the same problem, we cannot write the 75 minute. So what we will do, we will divide. So 75 you can divide by 60. So one time 60, so it will be 5 plus 1. So it means 1 will be the hour. Okay, so this 1 will be the hour. Okay, because this minute, so the previous the higher, just higher of this minute, which unit is there? Hour. So this is it will be the hour. So this 1 will be the hour. So you can write here 1 hour, and what is that? 15. So 15 minute. So your answer is 1 hour 15 minute. Okay, so like you have to do. Now next we can see question number 5. Satish went to the beach on Sunday. He spent 1 hour 43 minutes in fishing and 1 hour 20 minutes in swimming. How much at this time he spent in the both activity? It means this value and this value you have to add. So you can do it by yourself. This 1 hour 43 minutes plus 1 hour 20 minutes you can write in the column wise, and you can add it. Only addition you have to do. Now number 6, this is the total time of this express, of the Dune Express, and between traveling from Dehradun to Lucknow, the train stopped for the 8 hour 49 minute 55 seconds. So how much total, means how much time it move, means in the total time we will subtract this moving time, so then we can get the how much time train was moved. So okay, so we will solve this one. Question number, this is question number 6. So total time of the train. Okay, so first of all we write the total time, and then after total stoppage time. Okay, so total time it is given 25 hour. Okay, and it is 37 minute. Okay, and 10 second, and here it is given 8 hour 49 minute and 55 second. Okay, and now we have to subtract these all values, we have to subtract it. Now again you can say 10, here is 55, we cannot subtract. It means we have to take the borrow. So we will take the borrow from here, we will take the borrow from the previous one. So from here we will take the borrow. So here will be 36, and now here 10 will come, 60 will come. So here this side will be become 70. So now 70 minus 55, so it will be 15 second. Now again we cannot subtract 36 to the 49. It means we will take the borrow. So this side will be 24. Now 60 will come here. So 60 plus 36, it will be 96. Now here 96. So 96 minus 49 we can do. So here will be 47 minute. Now 24 minus 8. So this is your 17. Okay, so 17 hour. So your answer is, this is the time. So this is, so this time is actually what is this time? This is the total moving time of the train. Okay, so 17 hour 47 minute and 15 second. Okay, got it? How we have done? We have just subtracted these two values, whatever the time is given, these two times we have subtracted it. Okay, and we got the answer. Now next question you can see, this is the number 7. Number 7, in a cricket match, that captain played 4 hour 28 minute and 13 second, and in the first inning 3 hour, this is the first inning, and the second inning 3 hour 49 minute 35 second. Find how much more time he played. Means again we have to find the difference. Okay, so here what you can do, here you just find again the difference of this first inning and second inning. Okay, so difference means more time played. So how much more time he played, so that we have to find. So difference of the both the inning. So first inning he played 4 hour, in the second inning 28 minute. Okay, and there is 13 second. Okay, and the next, in the second inning 3 hour 49 minute and 35 second. Okay, and now what we have to do, we have to subtract these two, then after we can get the difference of these two time. So now can we subtract 13 to? No. So we will take the borrow. So here will be 29. Okay, sorry, 27, here will be 60 plus, so here will be 73. Okay, so 73 minus 35, so it will be 38 second. Okay, now 27 minus 49, it is not possible, we will take the borrow, here will be 3, so now 60 will come, so 60 plus 27, it will be 87, so 87 minus 49, so it will be 38 minute. Okay, so this side is 0 hour, so your answer is, what is the answer? 30. So what is the difference between two innings? So 38 minute 38 second. So this is the answer. Okay, so your homework is exercise 14C, you can do. Okay.